Hello and welcome back to Python Deep Learning for Beginners. We're starting a new section about building the basic blocks of machine learning. In this section, we're going to take a look at number 1, exploring supervised learning, number 2, representational learning and feature engineering, and then look at linear regression and the perceptron and how it's related to building deep learning models. Exploring supervised learning. So supervised learning is one of the most well-researched deep learning topics nowadays, and it actually underpins most of what we're going to explore today. So the most important question is then, what is supervised learning? Supervised learning is actually really simple. All we're doing is giving input-output pairs to the deep learning network for it to learn the relationship between the inputs and the outputs. The way this works, in step number 1 in this diagram, we have some labeled observations. What that means is we have examples that are labeled by the desired output. A typical example is having a collection of cat images, and we provide the label cat for the deep learning model to learn it. In the step 2, we split this data sets of labeled observations into the training sets and the testing sets. Like what it says on the tin, we feed the training sets into the machine learning model, usually a deep neural network, in step 3. And then we train this machine learning model with the training set data. We then test whether this model is powerful or accurate in step 4 using the test set. I'll explain later why this is separate. We then also, at the lower right corner, collect some statistics on how well our model has performed, which allows us to select deep learning models and advertise their accuracy. And that's all there is to it. That's supervised learning, and obviously this is a very high level view. In the next few videos, I'm going to give you a more comprehensive understanding on what is supervised learning and how we can make it better with deep learning methods.